In today's video, I will walk you through how to use Texture Crackles in Krita. To use Texture Crackles, select the brush tool by pressing B on your keyboard. Then open the brush preset docker, usually located on the right side of the Krita interface. In the search box, type Texture Crackles. Once the Texture Crackles brush preset appears, click it to select the brush. Next, adjust the brush size from the top toolbar. Increase the size value for a larger crack texture area, or decrease the size value for smaller and more detailed crack effects. The Texture Crackles brush in Krita is useful for adding cracked surfaces, rough patterns, and aged texture details. It is a good choice when creating stone, dry surfaces, damaged materials, or adding realistic texture effects to artwork. Use a larger brush size when covering wider areas with cracked textures, and use a smaller brush size when adding fine crack details and precise effects. After selecting the Texture Crackles brush and adjusting the size, you can start applying crack texture effects to your artwork in Krita. And that's how to use Texture Crackles in Krita. Thank you for watching the video.